guys, in this video I am going to show you how to convert your PNG file to PDF document on the 123apps.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Then scroll down to the PDF Tools section and tap on PNG to PDF. Click on Choose File in the middle of the screen, and then you should select the document, PNG file from your documents, and click on Upload. Here is your uploaded PNG file, and click on the button Convert in the right side of the screen. After it is being processed, click on the Download button. And here you can find your PDF document. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.